Door installation in Pompano Beach is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in door installation Pompano Beach, ensuring that every entry door, patio door, and sliding door is fitted with precision and care. Whether you're in need of a new door installation or a door replacement Pompano Beach, our services are tailored to meet your specific needs. For those seeking entry door services Pompano Beach, we offer a comprehensive range of solutions. From door frame replacement Pompano Beach to door hinge replacement Pompano Beach, our skilled technicians are equipped to handle all aspects of door maintenance. Our entry door services ensure that your doors are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Patio door installation, Pompano Beach is another area of expertise. We provide top-notch patio door installation services, ensuring that your outdoor spaces are seamlessly connected to your home. Our sliding door replacement Pompano Beach services are designed to address any issues with your sliding doors, ensuring smooth operation and longevity. Storm door installation Pompano Beach is essential for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Our storm door installation services provide an added layer of security and insulation, keeping your home safe and energy efficient. We also offer door sealing services Pompano Beach to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Door hardware upgrade. Pompano Beach is a popular service for those looking to enhance the functionality and appearance of their doors. Our team can assist with door lock installation Pompano Beach, door handle replacement Pompano Beach, and door security upgrade Pompano Beach, ensuring that your doors are both secure and stylish. Door alignment services Pompano Beach are crucial for maintaining the proper function of your doors. Misaligned doors can lead to increased wear and tear, so our door alignment services ensure that your doors operate smoothly. We also offer door threshold replacement Pompano Beach to address any issues with your door thresholds. Door weather stripping Pompano Beach is an effective way to improve your home's energy efficiency. Our door weather stripping services help to seal gaps and prevent drafts, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Additionally, our door insulation services Pompano Beach provide added protection against temperature fluctuations. For those in need of door jamb replacement Pompano Beach, our team is equipped to handle any replacements necessary to restore the integrity of your door frames. We also offer glass door installation Pompano Beach for those looking to update or replace their door glass. Door painting services Pompano Beach and door refinishing Pompano Beach are perfect for homeowners looking to refresh the appearance of their doors. Our door painting services provide a durable and attractive finish, while our door refinishing services restore the original beauty of your doors. Door customization. Pompano Beach is ideal for those looking to create a unique and personalized entryway. Our door customization services allow you to choose from a variety of styles, materials, and finishes to create the perfect door for your home.